Well, it's all together. Let's get that first start. Almost like I knew what I was doing. Almost. Man, I'm excited. Cannot wait to feel this extra little bit of power. Not gonna lie, I hear a little bit of a difference. It has a little bit more chop to it. Left it running for a little bit. Now I'm out on a drive. Got my SCT hooked up, watching the gauges and stuff. Everything is flawless. It feels like it has way more power throughout the whole band. It feels like it picked up all the way around. I'm loving it. Can't believe that, you know, what I've been missing, especially for a junkyard cam, essentially. And like I said, Jason was nice enough to send these to me for free. I mean, I didn't pay a penny for them, and everything is back together, and the car is running great with more power. So, of course, they're not going to make as much power as an aftermarket cam, but in an MPI head, if you're seeing 15 to 20 horsepower, I think that's a worthwhile upgrade in an MPI head. Y'all tell me what y'all think. But the drive is great. The power feels great. I'm super excited. I'm super stoked. I really want to see what this thing does on the dyno. That will be coming up hopefully within the month or two. Without a tune other than the basic 93 tune that I'm running at the moment, I'm not going to get a professional tune. I just want to see what it's making. So we'll go from there. I will eventually get a tune for when I run nitrous, but like I said, that's a little bit down the road. I want to get everything panned out. I got so much going on, but I'm itching for that nitrous hit, so I'm going to do everything I can to get that working. But right now, this cam, or these cams in this car feel great. It feels so much better. Like if I push it to the floor right now, I'm sideways, and that could be also lack of tires that I have in the back, but it definitely feels great. I can't praise it enough for essentially a junkyard cam. Y'all let me know what y'all think. In person, it does sound different to me. I really can't explain it. It's a little bit deeper, and it's got more of a, I don't know, like a hollow sound. I don't know how to explain it. On camera, though, when I listen to it, it kind of sounds the same. I don't know if y'all can pick it up or not. That is just in my editing software, so, you know, when it's rendered, it might have a better sound quality. I don't know. But I'm very happy with it. I know I've said it 1,000 times in this video, but I really feel the power throughout the whole power band. I took it on another drive, and I love it. Got my new SCT mount. I did have a little, like a trick for making an SCT mount for like $1. If any of y'all are interested, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll include that in one of the videos. But got my new one in finally, and that's it. You know, stay tuned for next video, and I do have dyno coming soon, and a few other little things up my sleeve. So stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching. This is Horseplay out.